Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe Izukane and today I am making a wig, and this is an ombre hair and it came in 4 bundles. It also came with its own closure, okay? And this is what one of the bundle looks like in terms of the length and the volume. The volume is okay, and even the texture of the hair is okay as well. It's soft, it's silky. So I'm going to begin by sewing the closure. Okay, so this is what the closure looks like. So this is a beauty channel. I do makeup, I do wigs, I also do vlogs, everything beauty. So please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. So I'm going to begin by sewing the closure, and I have to place it on the middle of the mannequin and on the middle of the net, as you can see. So when I get the middle, I just secure it using my pins. I'm just going to secure it round so that it doesn't keep moving when I am sewing. I have a lot of detailed tutorial videos on how to make a wig, so please do well to check them out. Thank you very much. And to my new subscribers, thank you for joining the family. And to my friends that have always been here, thank you so much. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using my pins now to secure it round. When I'm done securing it, I'm just going to sew it round, okay? And in sewing it, I'm going to begin by knotting it at the beginning so as to give it a firm hold. You can make like 3 knots at the beginning just to be sure that it is firm, and then you just continue the sewing round. And the sewing is not supposed to be tight, it should be a free loose sewing, okay? We'll just continue to sew until I get to the other end of the closure. Making a wig like this requires a lot of patience to control the thread. It's not easy at all, okay? So it's just to be patient throughout this process. And again, it's better you use a thread that is quite short so that it's easy, for you to control it. And then while sewing the closure, it's only at the beginning that I knot it, but after the beginning the sewing just continues like that. I don't have to knot it anymore. That is why I said it's just a free sewing. You don't knot it again. And you can see that I am done with sewing the closure round. You can see how neat it is. And when I got to the other end of the closure, I still had to do what, knot it severally to make sure that it is firm. Okay, so that is it for the closure. So I'm going to go ahead to begin to sew the back. Now for the back is simple. It's just to do end to end sewing until you cover up the space. Okay, so this is how far I have gone, and you can see I'm almost done with making the wig, and you can see it's already looking beautiful. Yes, and I'm actually loving this hair. This hair is actually soft and I didn't have problems while I was fixing it. And you can see that I made knots in between as I was sewing it. So for the back, while sewing from end to end, you need to make your knots in between. Okay, so to complete it, I'm just going to sew around the closure, and then I am done with making the wig. And this is what it looks like. I'm done with it, and I had to bring it down. And from my previous video, I showed you how I laid the closure, okay? And then I applied a slightly light concealer, to make it more visible, and it really looks good. Please leave me your comments and just tell me what you think already. And in the end, I had to model it, okay? So you wouldn't want to miss that, okay? Yes, and this is really beautiful. Please give me a thumbs up if you really like the outcome of this wig. Okay, so this is me wearing the wig, and I love it. Really, I love it. For me, I always prefer color one, which is black, but seeing this beauty on me and how it just makes me pop differently, I think I'm really considering getting one for myself. My client said the hair is affordable. She got it from a Nigerian vendor during sales, and this hair is soft, is silky, and during the fixing process I didn't notice any fallout while I even brushed it. And I love the length, I love the volume is okay, I love the texture, it takes heat. In fact, I love everything about this hair, and like I said, I'm going to get one for myself. I think this is the time for me to start trying out colors. Yes. All right. So please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Please leave me your comments. Okay. Give me a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and please share the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. Love you all greatly.